Hey guys, in today's video I have for you will be DIY jiggly slime, and I'm going to show you guys how to make jiggly slime. And if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and give this video a like if you guys do like it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the materials you guys will be needing. You will need a bowl, some activator, obviously some water, because what else you can make it jiggly with. So you need water. That's the main part, making it jiggly. A spoon or like a fork or something to be mixing with. Foaming hand soap, it's really optional using foaming hand soap. It just makes it a little bit more softer and fluffier. And if you want to put any scents, go ahead and put some scents, but I will not want to put some scents to mine. Any foam beads, whatever you guys want to do, put it on it, but I'm doing a regular jiggly slime, so it's going to be original. You're also going to need some glue, and yeah. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, it is very optional to use paint, and we're going to use pink, because I haven't used pink for a while. And we're going to make pink jiggly slime. So let's just get started with the slime. Okay, so the first step you do is add some glue into your a little cup, whatever you want to call it. Try to get all the glue you can. Once it's out of glue like mine, you guys can grab some water. So let me just fix this. Okay, so we're gonna move this to the side. Put some water in it. Put water halfway. Put the cap back on and make sure the cap is actually shut well. Then shake it up so you can get the extra glue inside. It will be easier if you guys do use warm water, because it will be easier to take out. So yeah. Okay, right after shaking up for years, we're gonna pour all of this in. So sometimes this, depending how much water you put in, already makes the slime already jiggly. So in case when we're halfway making it and it's not jiggly, we will have to add some more water to it. So right now we're gonna leave it like that. Okay, so we're gonna add some foaming hand soap. Add any amount of foaming hand soap you guys do want. Okay. So after that, add your paint. Okay, whoa. Okay. Now stir that up. Okay, so let's just stir that up. Okay, so right after stirring that up and we have our mixture done. Okay, so you can add your activator or something. Okay, so we're just gonna stir that up, and after you're done stirring that up, you guys can actually put some lotion and stuff like that. But I'm adding a little bit more glue because I feel like this doesn't have enough glue, because I did add only a little bit and it did have more water, so we're gonna add a little bit more glue. So in case if your slime isn't working, that probably means because you just, what's it called? You added a little bit of glue and too much water. So that's a possible way to answer that question. So we're gonna add our lotion. Okay, so right after adding a lot of lotion, you can add a little, but you can add a little bit. I kind of added a little bit, so yeah. So we're gonna stir that up. Alright, so the next thing will be adding some activator. Okay, so we're just gonna stir that up. And just get your activator. Wait, my borax isn't even working. Okay. Stir that up. Now, just gotta keep stirring and stirring. If you don't want to stir too much, you guys can just put your hand in there. But I really don't want to get so messy, so I'm just gonna be patient and just keep stirring this around. So your slime should be forming already. So I'm just keep stirring it around. It probably will get a little bit better and a little bit more stretchier, because you're actually dissolving the extra borax everywhere. So we're just gonna almost ready, but I'm gonna stir that up. Now, touch your slime. And if you like the jiggliness, mine's already jiggly. I can tell 100% it's jiggly. But if you guys don't like the jiggliness of your slime, I'm actually going to, so if you pretend that your slime is kind of not that jiggly at all, you just add some a little bit water. Not that much. Okay, let's stir that up. This will happen to your slime, so it will get a little bit more stickier. That is normal. So once you stir that up, and either way it does this, not sticking to the bowl. So if we do slow, it's still sticking to the bowl. But if you put your hand in there, it's way sticky than how it was before. So you're gonna add some borax, and then just stir that up. So just keep adding borax if it's sticky. So you're gonna need this slime. Okay, so mine's way too sticky, so I'm gonna add more borax. Okay, so I'll put my hand in there. Just gonna play with it. And once you keep kneading it for a long time and it's still sticky, add some more borax or any kind of detergent you guys are using. So I'm gonna take this out. Whoa, mine's really jiggly. Okay, so mine's really sticky and jiggly at the same time. If you feel like your slime isn't normal, like it's too watery, too like foamy and stuff, add more glue. And if it's too sticky, just keep adding some borax. Just gonna play with it over here so you guys can see. No. Okay, my spoon fell inside of the borax. Okay, I mean the water. Okay. That's normal. So there's my sticky slime. So I'm gonna add some Tide to this because it isn't really stretchy and it's kind of really sticky. So I'm gonna add some Tide, and if you guys do have Tide, you can put Tide on it. It's gonna change the colors. That's why I didn't really want to use Tide. But we're gonna use some Tide over here to fix the stickiness and make it a little bit more stretchier. Just move this. Yep, I should have done this in the bowl. Whoa. So if you guys do this, you should do it in the bowl. Guys, do not listen what I just said. Oh wait, it turned out right because I never actually tried putting Tide in it. I felt like it would work a little bit better. I actually kind of did. It kind of get a little bit thicker. So yeah. But the thing is, I really didn't want to put Tide at first because it would be a little bit sticky. So after I'm done kneading the slime and showing you guys ASMR, I'm gonna do an ASMR one, but with Tide. So yeah. So if you guys, your slime isn't stretchy like this one, I mean not stretchy, what I'm saying, not jiggly like, you know, regular jiggly slime, go ahead and just put your slime in the container or bowl, add some water to it, and you're just going to need to stir that around, whoa, and just keep stirring. So this part will be messy and you are going to feel like your slime doesn't work or anything. It just takes a while stirring, and it's actually worth it because it actually makes a good slime at the end. So that's how you make your slime. That's how you make your jiggly slimes. And yeah, so this one is with Tide and this one's with borax at first. Then I added a little bit Tide and this is what it came to. But I like the Tide way much better. Either way, it's kind of sticky. It's less sticky than this one. This one's very sticky. I still have to fix that one, but this one, it has the best slime texture. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I recommend using Tide instead if you're going to use. With Elmer's glue, it makes the best makes jiggly slime, but I'm not using Elmer's glue. I'm using this crazy art glue. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe and comment down below what kind of videos you guys do want, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.